Welcome to You Can Do It. Today we're working back on the MS200T. So this is an MS200T which I bought as a non-runner. It had a engine seizure. Sorted all of that. I've done a video on gasket delete and all that stuff and rebuilding it. But anyway, this is a common problem with these Stihl MS200s. Look, you get this on the side cover. It just sort of like twists, and it's just that it's the plastic casing that's done that. I mean, it all seems to work fine, but it's twisted, and it's not the main frame is okay. It's this side cover here. So I bought something. This is a new side I got from Stihl. So we're going to put that on. Look, that side's dead straight. Look, you can see it's dead straight, whereas this side, it's got a bow in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off, undo this off, and we're going to change all the parts over onto that. So stick with this, and we'll show you how you do it. I'll put a link to these parts in the video, but that's the part number if you need it. And with that you get that, which is the chain stop, and that bit goes inside behind the spring on there. So this is the new one, look, and it is new, and it does look new. Now the old ones, as you see when we take it off, this all wears as well, so it doesn't sit squarely on the chain as well. So we get that bit with it in here, so we just have to put some of the bits into there, and that black bit there, that goes in the back there. All right, so let me take this one off and we'll look at the old one and compare it to the new one. So yeah, the nut on here on the Stihls, this is a really big one, but it's actually the same size as the plug, so there is a bit of logic behind it. So we just undo that, it's loose, and I'll just take right, this is the old one, this is the new one. Look at that, you can see the difference there. Look, this is actually completely worn here. So to take that out and replace that, I'll put that in. We take the chain brake out. So what we need to do now is I'll take that out, I'll put it in there, and then we need to undo these two here, and this is the whole chain brake mechanism. All right, that's out, and transfer it over to there. So we'll just undo this one here, and we'll do the same on that one there. Okay, that one's out now, so then this comes off, that part there, which will fit back in there nicely. Just put that to the side. So now here we've got the spring assembly here, which will also take this out. Okay, you basically get the spring out, you push the brake forward and you can get the spring out, and then it's a case of getting this whole thing out here. Now basically this mechanism pushes in there and you need to pull that out. So let me do that. So this, basically, this pin, this comes off here, look, off like that. And then what you have to do with that is that's the underneath bit, then you pull this bit out, look, like that. So that went in like that. Yeah. Once you pull that bit out, you can then get your handle out. All right. So now we've got that. So now what I'm going to do is take the spring out. So I've got the spring out of there, and I've put it into there. So you just basically push that into there like that. Looking good. And we take this rubber out here, pull that out, and then I can get this spring out here and put that spring in, goes in there. So let me do that, pull that one out. All right, I've opened this packet here which I get with it. So I get a new one of those, and I also get the chain catcher, which I actually haven't got on here, so I need to put that on. So I'll just put the new one of those on. So those two come out. It's a good little steel kit. So this is the new one that goes in there. So that new one there, look, fits in there like that, nice and snug. All right. So now what we'll do is we'll put the handle back through into there. Make sure that one's there. Look, it's snug in there, nice and tight. All right, let's put the handle through. You put your handle through like that. Then you need to go and get this bit, and we stick it back down there, like that. Look, as you can see there, look, comes in there. Then we can put that on. We can put that on that back spigot, and this one on the front spigot. Okay, so let me do that now. Okay, that's in there now. So now what we can do is put the plastic cover, put this little plastic cover back on, screw that up, and then we just test out whether that thing works. So let me put that in and screw it up, and then we'll test. Okay, that's all in, and I've checked it. Yeah, it's all right, and then so the brake works. So I'm gonna do another video about the oiler. I'll just put that all back on because I need to actually use this tonight. So I'm going to actually just unscrew the bolt for that and screw that on, and then I'll put this on and put the side on. We'll see how it. Okay, chain catcher's on. Simple job. Now I'll put the side cover. Okay, now look. You see, I've got a little stub there, and I've got that there. Now that basically should go, I think, in there. So I've got to actually unscrew that bolt there. I've had a look on the old one. And the old one just had a, look there, look, the old one just had a hole, which is presumably where that went on. So I now need, so that should have actually been a proper little, someone's put a bolt in there. That's interesting, so I need to actually take that out. So I'll just put some, a couple of 10mm nuts on there, look. And then that'll let me take that out. Yeah. Oh, that's out. I presume that fits in there. So now I'll try and put that side cover in, and that bolt there goes in there. Okay, that's in there. Look, that's a lot better. That little gap there actually is from the other side. Is that little plate that goes around the oil pump. It's a bit knackered. Maybe get a new one of those. But yeah, that looks nice there, and that fits in there nicely. And because it's got that spigot that goes in there, that fits in there nice and solid like that. And works a treat, look. Yeah, that's good. And also because that's new there, where it clamps up, it's not worn. This feels a lot more solid. So really pleased with that. So that's how to change your side cover over to a new Stihl one. I know there's aftermarket ones, but this is a genuine Stihl one. So yeah, really pleased with that. So I'm going to go and use that now. Someone's got a Christmas tree that needs coming down. So yeah, hope this video's helped. Hope you liked it. If you like the channel, subscribe. Any comments, send me a comment. I reply to them all. See you soon.